Richard with Fence Supply Online here from the headquarters in Arlington, Texas, and wanted to reach out and show you guys some new products we have that we built ourselves. We've been waiting for so long for China to come in with the round rail brackets. Round rail brackets are immensely popular and do a heck of a job, but we can't get them from China anymore. They're just not showing up. And we don't even know what the price is, but they're supposedly stuck on a boat somewhere. That's the excuse we're getting. So we took American steel, sent it into Montreal, Canada, had it pressed, painted, drilled, and now we have our own matte black round rail brackets. Now, what do you use a round rail bracket for? We can use it for a couple of things. You have, for round post, you can make H braces, you can make a dead man, you can make corners in your wire fencing. It's a great product to have on the ranch. You need to put a quick H brace together, pull brace along line, and you need to be able to pull from it. This is your ticket. 2 of these, 3 posts, and you're in business. You're making a H brace. Now, what we really use them for, primarily in our side of the equation, is the round rail post and rail system. What we use them for mainly is for round rail fencing. The round rail with the doweled ends, where it has the tapered end, has a 1-inch dowel, a tenon, it's called a tenon on that. The problem is, you start with a 4-inch log, but they taper it down to a 2-inch, even sometimes 1 7/8 doweled end, where it goes into the post with a little 1 7/8 doweled end. Looks great, sharp, turned lumber, really pretty lumber, but the problem comes with that little doweled end. So all the weight, when somebody bumps it, somebody climbs on it, is right there on a 2-inch dowel when you have a 4-inch piece of lumber. Now, personally, I recommend putting these on a new fence. If you've got a new fence, go ahead and put these on there. It gives it support early on and prevents this from being a blow, whether it's animal or kids climbing on it or something like that, and breaking that tiny little 1 7/8 dowel that's going into here. Big giant 4-inch piece of lumber, everybody thinks it's a big tough 4-inch log, but no, it can easily be broken by a 50-pound child hitting it just right, especially if it's got a little age on it. Another place they use it a lot is in like Colorado, areas where we have a lot of ground movement. Even over here east of Dallas, the ground moves and separates a lot. Well, if you don't tie all this together, then you've got a big problem. It's going to pull apart and the rails are going to fall out. This ties all of the rails and posts together, and we sell it individually. We sell it in a pack of 6. And why a pack of 6? Because in a 3-rail round rail system, you'd have 3 rails, 1 on each end, 3 times 2, 6. So we already do a prefab box of 6. Then we have boxes of 50. So whatever you need for your ranch, for your fencing, we can make it happen. We're so happy to have these made in North America now, not made in China. It's a great product right here from Fence Supply Online in Arlington, Texas. We have over 3,000 in stock and more on the way. Thanks so much. Have a great day.